Barnett Park. Gonna go see the cave. Way up. Meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's squeak. We're just right inside Christchurch. Wanted to go for just like a nice little local trail. And this looked really cool.
Barnett Park lies on the eastern edge of Christchurch and marks the beginning of one of the city's most accessible coastal hill walks.
Steep.
The track climbs steadily, offering elevated views over red cliffs and the Pacific Ocean. This route was once part of the traditional Maori travel corridor and today provides both recreational trail and a link to the region's natural history. With the round trip taking just over an hour, this short hike offers one of the best ways to experience Christchurch's natural beauty, coastal views, native landscape, and local history, all within city limits.
Pressure now.
Near the summit sits a large limestone cave, carved naturally into the hillside. While the cave's exact historical use is uncertain, it's believed to have offered shelter to the early Maori travelers and settlers. From its entrance, there are panoramic views over Pegasus Bay and the South Shore coastline, making it a known rest point for hikers and photographers alike.
Hey, you would not want to fall going down those steps. Flower give me joy. Oh, some cheapies.
Pretty freshly shaved too. Yeah?
Yep.
You can see some shave marks on that guy.
Yep, they recently been shaved, these sheepies.
Hi, Sheepy.
You get those sheepies.
Hi, Sheepy. Meh.
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 These sheep are part of the regular hillside grazing in the Port Hills area. Recently shorn, they help manage vegetation naturally, an approach commonly used across Canterbury to reduce fire risk and maintain native plant health. The descent follows the other side of the valley, with expansive views down towards the estuary and out to the Pacific Ocean. On clear days, you can see as far as the Kaikoura Ranges. The trail runs along volcanic terrain, part of the ancient Littleton volcano system that shaped much of the local landscape. A beautiful day walk.